Welcome to the Data Backup Management section. This section is meant for creating backups of the system data. This means that we can always create backup archives and restore the previously created ones. This mechanism provides a more secure and flexible use of the system and enables a retrospective reference to the system data created any time in the past. It is recommended to create backup archives periodically so that in case of a problem, we're able to restore our system data to previously created archives. On the left side of the page, we can see the Help topic, which gives us detailed information on how to work within the section. On the right side of the page, we can see a very simple form for creating archives. The form is comprised of only two fields, the archive name and the note. Right under the form, we can see a table that lists all the archives that are already created in our system. We can now see two archives in the list. One of the archives is totally empty. It includes no users, no products, and no buying and selling deals. This archive is created for demonstration purposes. The other archive includes some deals as well as some products that had been added to the system through the product management section. Now, let us restore the empty archive for our demonstration. For doing so, we need to select the Restore arrow right beside the archive that is to be restored. Once we click the Restore button, a dialog box opens, warning us that after restoring the selected archive, all the data in the system will be exchanged with the data of the archive we're restoring. Additionally, the system advises us to make a backup of the current state of our system for safety purposes. If we want to proceed with restoring the empty archive, we click OK. Let us now check what has been changed in the system after the restoration of the empty archive. We can navigate to the Product Management section and see that the store tree is totally empty and does not contain any catalogs and products. OK, let us return to the Data Backup Management section where we were working. Now, let us try to restore the second archive, which contains some data imported in the system. For doing this, we again click the Restore arrow next to the archive name and details and press OK for confirmation. We can again check the changes through the Product Management section. Once we navigate to the section, we can see that the store tree is now full of previously created catalogs and products. Now, let us add a product to our hierarchical tree. Name it Test Product, for instance, and fill the other required fields with some information. We will see that the product has been added to the store tree. Now, let's again go back to the Data Backup Management section, create a new archive, Demo Archive, for example, mention that this archive is the one containing the test product we have just created in the Product Management section, and press the Backup button. The newly created archive will be immediately added to the list of the archives available in the system. Now, let us revisit the Product Management section and delete the test product item from the tree. Once the process is done, we can again go back to the Data Backup Management section and restore the archive that contains the test product. After restoring the archive, we can check our changes in the Product Management section. By visiting the section, we can see that the test product is again available in the store tree. Please note that the created archives can as well be deleted from the system if we no longer see the necessity of keeping them. For removing the archive, we just choose the delete icon that is placed next to the restore arrow and confirm the delete action. You see how easy and simple the work in the Data Backup Management section is. We encourage you to refer to this section from time to time and archive the current state of the system.